me banned from tetherball because he was mad that I called him out for truth. Because he doesn't understand, he probably doesn't understand what truth means. Which I don't know why, because you all learn that in grade or kindergarten or pre-K. Because you have to have honesty. Because that is true. You have to have honesty. You actually have to have honesty. And he does not have honesty at all. For some reason. And I don't know why. Because he just doesn't understand what honesty is. For some reason. Because he doesn't understand is why. He doesn't understand what honesty is. For some reason. And I don't know why. Probably because he doesn't have